Alright guys, so I'm back with another poppin' ponytail video. Y'all know I love my ponytails, so if y'all want to see how to get this poppin' swoop bang ponytail slay, then keep on watching.
Ain't nothing to it, real one. Ain't nothing to it, boss. Ain't nothing to it, real one. Ain't nothing.
First things first, just take a sip of that pop because things about to get intense. No, I'm just playing. So anyways, what my mom is doing, because y'all know my mom does my hair, I don't touch a finger of hair unless I have to, honey. So what she did was basically pre-gelled my hair into a ponytail. So she just molded it all the way to the back. She parted it to have the swoop on the side. So you part it on the side, or whichever side you want your swoop on, because the swoop is going to be like a bang. So you part your swoop and you're going to mold it while leaving that part where you parted it at. Leave that hair out because you're going to add a bang. So mold your hair into a ponytail, a back ponytail, because you want a back swoop. And what you're going to do is you're going to basically sit under the dryer for at least 20 to 30 minutes so it can get hard, and then you're going to start the bang process. So I just took some hair and we're adding this in the inside of my hair. So she's parting it and then gluing it, parting it, gluing it, parting and gluing. Other people do it different ways, but I don't know, I like the old way better. Like, old ways are so much better, like the old days. I love the old things. So she's just doing that and parting each section of my hair and putting the tracks in between. So to get it real flat and flat as possible, y'all need to flat iron each section, and don't just like put the track, part it, go back in, put the track. No, flat iron as you go, because you want to lay that swoop you want to lay that swoop as flat as possible. Here comes the part where you're going to determine if your swoop is going to be laid or like you can see in the inside of your swoop. Make sure you take that Gatsby glue so you can mold that swoop to be like real, not hard, but like molded. I'm not saying like to be old, but y'all know what I'm saying. Mold that swoop, honey. So you're going to just basically swoop it around, just like if it was like a regular, like if it was your hair, like if you're molding your own hair. Swoop it around, and then you're going to take that hair, the rest of the hair, yes, mold, mama, go ahead, do your thing, girl. So you're gonna swoop, mold, and yes, take your blow dryer. You have to take that so it can get hard and stiff. And then you're going to go around and you're going to connect it to the ponytail that you have back there. Mine's is little, so you probably can't even see it. But you're going to mold it to the back of that ponytail and taking a scrunchie and tying the rest of the hair to the back ponytail that you have, your own hair. The rest of the hair that's connected to the swoop, you're going to connect it to the back ponytail and scrunch it up. Alright, now, so once that is done and you did everything in your power to make that swoop be molded, honey, you spritzed it, you sprayed some spray on this, some silky stuff to make your hair look good and popping. Honey, y'all know what I'm talking about. We're going to start with the back ponytail. So everything is connected. The swoop is connected into that one ponytail, which is my little hair. You're going to grab some braided hair and you're going to start braiding, because we're going to do an extended ponytail. If we didn't do an extended ponytail, what we would do is braid the hair from the swoop and the ponytail that is already connected together. And what you would do is basically roll it up in a knot. We'll basically twist it or braid it and roll it up in a knot, and then stick the bobby pin in it and roll the tracks around. But since we're doing an extended ponytail so that it can be longer, we're going to take that hair that is provided from Kaliyi hair, and we're going to basically just sew it on that braid and go all the way up. And then y'all know how it goes after this. She is done with the tutorial, y'all. So big shout outs to Kaliyi hair for sending this over here. Don't forget to go check them out in the description right below. They have all curly hair, they have straight hair, they have frontals, they have everything that you would ever think of. Click in the description right below and go check them out, you know. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.